In really small pipelines, we can definitely encounter issues like stress corrosion cracking. If these issues occur, it could cause the pipes to burst, resulting in the release of substances that pose a risk to people's safety. Therefore, it is crucial for us to utilize a camera system to identify these cracks, even in narrow pipes. The biggest issue with very small pipes is getting to them. It's not possible to see the end using just a flashlight or a mirror. There are tiny cracks that must be detected, and they can be quite difficult to spot with the naked eye. Hello, I'm Stefan Brandner, and I lead the plant safety department in Nuremberg. Right now, I'm at the power plant to carry out some inspections. The camera systems we rely on are crucial for us to provide trustworthy inspection reports and to get the inspections done on time. Having a camera inspection system is great because it lets me check out spots that are 2 or 3 meters away from the cap, which I couldn't see before. You can spot stress corrosion cracking by looking for a faint brown linear discoloration on the pipe, which suggests that there might be some cracks. These discolorations are quite difficult to find. Using a high-quality inspection camera makes it way easier for me to read the signs and figure out the steps for future non-destructive testing. The key thing we look for in a camera system is how well the camera head can pan and tilt. These movements are essential for us to properly see and cover all the areas we need to. With the excellent autofocus and quick adjustments, we can make accurate and faster shots without the hassle of constantly shifting the camera back and forth. Using a battery-powered camera system has its perks, like being able to take it anywhere without worrying about finding a power outlet or lugging around a heavy generator. Therefore, we are always ready to jump into action. Having a solid and precise focus in camera systems is crucial for picking up even the tiniest details. Having a variety of zoom options is super important to us because it really sets apart what makes a camera system stand out.